Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this video we're going to learn Burgmuller's beautiful piece Ave Maria from opus 100 number 19. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. This piece is another challenge in the book, and it's a very long piece, so it's perfect for performance occasions, whether it's for your friends or a public performance. It's a well-known piece and it's a beautiful piece. From the sound of my performance, you can already tell that it has a very peaceful character, and this peaceful character has to be maintained throughout whilst tackling the technical challenges found in the piece. We are in A major, of course, because this chapter is all about A major, so we've got 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. We are in 3/4, so 3 quarter note beats in every bar, and it says andante, so walking speed, but I would say it doesn't need to go too fast because then it loses the peaceful character, but it also shouldn't go very slow because then the melody kind of gets lost at a very slow speed. At the start we see religioso, which means in a religious manner, so almost imagine you're in church and you want to create that constant pulsation of the music in a very calm manner. There are 2 big challenges in this piece, technically. The first one is the big chords. So it's a chorale style, which means that we have 4 parts in the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. And these chords need to go down perfectly together, in perfect sync, just like in a choir where you have soprano, alto, tenor and bass, and they all sing the same notes at the same time. And the top note of the chord should be emphasized because that's the melody, that's the main tune. After the repeat sign, the left hand kind of takes over the melody and then it comes back to the right hand in bar 18 or 19. So we've got a little bit of a mix-up in the middle, and the other challenge is the 2-part writing. We've got quite a lot of bars where we have 2-part writing, so notes with stems up and notes with stems down, and the longer notes need to be held whilst you play the shorter notes. And finally, obviously the biggest challenge is creating the character, having a peaceful playing, lots of beautiful dynamics, and keeping the chords very quiet and expressing the melody as best as you can. So after this very long introduction, which I think is a must when it comes to this piece, you really need to understand what you're aiming for. It's not just a bunch of notes, it has to come alive. Let's start with the first section until the repeat sign, the first 8 bars. Right hand is going to start in the A, C sharp position, so an A major position, and we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, fingering is just a suggestion. You can use any other finger numbers that work well for you. So that was basically playing it through. Now let's see what are the difficulties. So make sure the chords go down together, very evenly counting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And now we have a slur, so we need to connect these notes. 1 connecting to the 2, 5. 1, 4, lift up, another slur, and release. Now 1, 5, and now we have to hold the thumb as we come down to the D, and 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, or 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, whichever works better. Now let's see the left hand. It starts in the treble clef, so we're going to be around the middle, C, A, and E. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Moving up to C sharp G. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 2-part writing, holding down the D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So finishing in the bass clef, an E7 chord. And you can either go 1, 2, or 1, 5, and 2, 3. and that's the left hand. We've got some crescendos and diminuendos, but we start very quietly, and usually when the melody is rising you can get louder, and if the melody is falling you can get quieter. Now when I played it hands together I used the pedal, but you have to be extremely careful with the pedal because we have a lot of chords coming very quickly after each other which don't belong to the same harmony, so you have to pedal very quickly when the chords are changing. So just to show you in the first line, this is how I would pedal. Pedal down, 1, holding the pedal, new pedal, new pedal, and new pedal, and new pedal. So every time I have a different chord, I re-pedal to make sure the sound doesn't get too blurry, but the pedal is going to create an even more church-like atmosphere because we get the beautiful resonance from the strings when the dampers are up, which resembles the reverb you would get in a church or a cathedral. So let's do it again, hands together very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Connect. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change of position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, connect, 3, 1, 2, 3. Moving on to bar 9. Here the right hand is going to go a little bit more into the background, so starting 2, 4 on the G sharp and B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G natural. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In the final 2 bars, we quiet down and slow down as we approach that fermata. Left hand here takes on the solo part, so we're going to start 1 on the E. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hands together. Quietly, crescendo, and back to quiet. Slowing down and fermata. And holding this note longer and lift. And we're going on to bar 17 now, where it gets a little bit more interesting. We get some eighth notes or quavers in the left hand and also in the right hand. Let's start again with the right hand, and we're going to go all the way to the end this time. So 1, 2, 4 on E, A, and C sharp, some bigger chords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, F natural, 1, 2, D minor, and the final A major chord. Lift up and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So finishing very quietly, and again there is a diminuendo and poco ritenuto before, so slowing down a little bit. Now as you could see, this is the repetition of the melody on the first page, but it's adding a little bit to it, it's making it more interesting. Be very careful when you get to bar 21 and you have the 2-part writing, so holding down the top notes. Just making sure you hold onto those E's. Left hand is going to start with a beautiful arpeggio and then a little bit more interesting pattern. So bar 17, 5 on the A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 treble clef. 1, 2, 3, holding down the D, hold, hold, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Carrying on, number 3 on the C sharp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's the left hand. So again, being very careful, for example, in bar 19, where you have the two-part writing, holding down those quarter notes or crotchets which are stemmed upwards. Hands together, slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, holding down the D. 1 and 2 and 3 and staccato. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and D minor. Slowing down and very calmly sinking into the keys for the final 4 chords, feeling that peace, that resolution after this beautiful ending. So that's all I have to say about this piece. I could go on for hours and hours. There is so much packed into this very short study, but it's a beautiful performance piece, an excellent technical exercise, and it works really well with our A major scale. Take your time with this piece and work in smaller sections. It's always going to be more efficient. Hands separately, a lot of hands separate practice to make sure you really understand the fingerings and the two-part writing, where the melody is, and emphasizing that melody. And when you put it eventually hands together, make sure you really concentrate on the accuracy between the two hands.